Receiving money through KeyBank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can easily receive funds. Step 1. Set up your KeyBank account. Make sure you have an active KeyBank account. If you don't have one, visit a local branch or the KeyBank website to open an account. Step 2. Use KeyBank as online banking. Log into your KeyBank online banking account. If you haven't registered yet, you will need to create an online account using your account details. Step 3. Choose your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Provide necessary information. If you are receiving money through direct deposit or wire transfer, provide the sender with your account number and KeyBank's routing number. For Zelle, share your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Confirm receipt of funds. Once the sender has completed the transaction, check your KeyBank account to confirm that the funds have been received. You can do this through the online banking platform or mobile app. By following these steps, you can easily receive money through KeyBank. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact KeyBank customer service for assistance.